A solemn glow lit a section of downtown Kingston Sunday evening as remembrance and a call to action came together at the annual Child's Month Candlelight Vigil. Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby wants Jamaicans to step up and ensure children are protected.
Family members, senior officials and well-wishers lay wreaths and candles at the Secret Gardens in downtown Kingston on Sunday in honor of children lost under tragic circumstances. A yearly ritual, but the problem still persists.
Let this moment not end with when the candles burn out. Let it live on in our policies, in our actions, and in our daily life interactions with the children entrusted in our care. May the memories of these young lives guide us towards compassion. May their soul inspire meaningful change. And may their light forever shine in the heart of this city.
The ceremony, hosted by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, formed part of the Child Month observances. But the mood made it clear this was more than a symbolic event. Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby, while acknowledging the challenges over the years, used the moment to urge Jamaicans to move beyond grief and unite in protecting the nation's children.
We must strengthen the system that supports them. We must confront the violence, neglect, and social challenges that place them at risk. And we must build communities where every child knows they matter, where every child feels safe, and where every child has the opportunity to thrive.
For his part, State Minister in the Ministry of Local Government Delroy Williams commended the security forces for their efforts in tackling the issue over the years, but stressed violence against children is a complex issue.
Which means that in order to resolve the problem, we have to transcend in finding the solution, organizations and disciplines. We all have to work together towards the solution. But the solution is not going to be found in any one organization or in any one discipline. In this case, data is also very important. Because data, we have to find out what are the issues surrounding violence against our children.
The ceremony closed with a quiet procession through the garden and a call to support affected families and work towards greater protection for children across the country.